Out of hatred for the cockroach, the ants voted for the insecticide. And in the end, they all died. Even that housefly that didn't vote. This story isn't about bugs. It's about us. Every time we let hate make our decisions, we end up drinking the poison we mix for someone else. You can see it happening right now. A country tearing itself apart. People choosing destruction over dialogue, punishment over progress, rage over reason. Everyone is pointing fingers and no one is looking in the mirror. The justice system feels broken. Leaders are fighting instead of leading. Families can't sit at the same table without turning into enemies. And underneath it all is fear. Fear disguised as power. Anger disguised as courage. But here's the truth. Hate has never built anything that lasted. It only burns, and it burns everything it touches. Even the one who lit the match. So before you join the next outrage, before you post the next headline meant to make you hate, stop and ask yourself one question. Am I protecting my home or poisoning it? We don't have to agree on everything to build something better, but we do have to stop choosing venom and start choosing vision. If you're ready to learn how to lead from clarity instead of chaos, to rebuild instead of react, come connect with me at overcomebetrayal.com. Because the world doesn't need more people screaming in anger. It needs more people grounded enough to build after the fire.